mga ka-makeup? Bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, my name is Jel at nandito naman tayo ngayon para sa isang bagong video. Ang video na ito ay... Nandito naman tayo ngayon para sa isang bagong video at ang video na ito ay about sa Colourette Cosmetics. So, gagawa tayo ng very easy and minimal makeup look. If you want to know more about this video, please keep on watching. So before we start this makeup look, naglagay na ako ng nag-skincare na ako and also naglagay na ako ng primer. So next, what we will use is the Automatic Aura Cream from Cathy Doll.
Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? I'm down.
Parang napadami siya, guys. So, idamay na natin ang ating leeg. Let's use a brush to even out ang ating inilagay na product.
I'm just a lonely fuck to you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. Jewel blues, yeah, I got.
We will use Colourette pomade for our brows. This is in the shade Espresso.
Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's peeking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some soulful sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me, now you with Infinity, we 98, trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes, got the faith, the 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain, too young. Why you gotta go, I just wanna know now, true now. Crying getting old, hope you freed your soul, I might have caught the June blues, yeah, I wanna.
And then we will use Maybelline, the Falsies / Lift.
I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
For the contour, we will use Nishido Contour Palette.
Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah.
We will use Colourette Colourtint in the shade Ginger. Sabi dito, shake me up real good, so that is what we will do. So, ilalagay natin siya sa ating eyelids. Dito muna. Ilagay natin siya sa ating Then, let's do the same thing sa ating kabilang lids. more. Para ma-intensify. Hindi kasi dito. And then, next would be intensify pa na. Yung cheeks. Same color yung ilalagay natin sa ating cheeks. So, dito muna sa hands or sa fingers para mas kontrolado natin yung product. Okay, so done na tayo with our eyelids and also with our cheeks. So, again, ang nilagay nating shade is yung ginger. So, we will try, kasi I have another shade from Colourette Tint and the shade is Lola. So, we will go ahead and try this on our lips naman. So, you have to shake it.
Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down.
This is Lola.
June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah.
Then we'll go ahead and remove the color Lola sa ating lips by using itong Biore Eye and Lip makeup remover. Then we will try naman yung ginger sa ating lips. Color ginger on our lips.
Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peaked, devil's speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bros on some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you the penny, pick it up like Chevy, New Age Machiavelli, disagree, don't tell me.
Yeah, and then we'll go ahead and try the color ginger on our lips.
The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna be down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young. Why you gotta go? Why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. Too numb. Try and get no, cry and get no. Hope you free your soul, hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna try myself.
So this is
inside the
ginger.
juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking you. Now when
Then we'll go ahead and put freckles on her face. So second try ko na to na maglagay ng freckles. So let's go ahead and see kung naging successful ba tayo.
Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to.
So yan, meron tayong freckles, guys. So let's go ahead and put highlighter. So we will use e.l.f. in the shade Blush Gems. Our nose, here on our temples of our cheeks. We'll go ahead and put lashes. So we will use this red cherry lashes. I'll go ahead and put this on, then I'll come back. And we're back. So, tinapos lang natin ang ating look. Naglagay lang tayo ng eyeliner kasi hindi ko makita yung glue ng aking falsies. So, hindi tayo nagtagumpay doon. So, this is the finished product of our easy and minimal makeup look using Colourtints. So, these are the products that I use for today. Mga products from Colourtints. So, by the way, mga products from Colourette. So, I collaborated with Colourette Sariaya. So, kung gusto niyo magkaroon ng discount sa mga bibilin yung products from them, use my code Jel Oh, then you will get 10% discount off of your purchase. Nandito naman tayo sa part ng aking video kung saan tayo ay magsha-shoutout. So, shoutout kay Kathleen from Boracay. So, nag-comment siya sa aking Boracay vlog and sinabi niya na i-shoutout ko siya sa aking susunod na video. So, this is it. Hi, Kathleen! Hello sa mga taga-Boracay peeps. And also, shoutout kay Gio Mariano, ang pinaka-poging employee ng NLEX. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, kindly share to your friends, to your family members, at sa lahat-lahat na pwede nyo pag-share ng aking video. If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. But if you love this video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Bye!